my newest baby. 68 custom Princeton Reverb. Can't really play the guitar and hold this stupid phone, but trust me, holy shit, this is I'm not gonna say it's the coolest amp I've ever played. I'm gonna say that this is pretty badass, and I've never liked tremolo, and I tried the tremolo out on this thing, and I haven't turned it off yet. It's shocking how cool this thing sounds. The reverb, I bought this amp. I have enough tube amps, believe me. I've got 4 other tube amps. I bought this because I can't find a good external reverb unit anywhere. I've got numerous ones, but they all sound like crap. And these are tube-driven reverb on these, and tube-driven tremolo. And fuck yeah, dude. Hell yes. This is badass. I'm going to set the phone down and play for just a minute, and who knows how well it'll come across on the phone, but in real life, right here, live, I assure you, this thing sounds real good. I don't know what it sounds like over the phone, but dude, holy shit, this sounds good. Now, I had the reverb turned off and the tremolo because I was just biasing the amp. I put in a set of JJ tubes, and let's see how that sounds with a little reverb. Doesn't take much. Go over like 1.5 on this thing, and it turns into surfer reverb. And who the hell likes that shit? These JJ tubes are changing the characteristics of the reverb as well. Oh, there it goes. That's on 2.5 right there. Now, that's a lot of reverb in my book. add a little bit of tremolo. Deeper, a little slower. Anyway, I kind of freaking like this amplifier, and for $855 delivered, I kind of ought to like it. Anyway, this isn't going to take the place of my my modded Classic 30, because that thing is more of a modern. That was a vintage sounding amplifier when I got it, and I revoiced it a bit, and it's got, dude, that's serious rock and roll right there, especially when I plug it into that 212 down there behind the Princeton, three 12-inch speakers. Oh yeah, dude, it's, have to go rub one off after playing that one. But for some vintage sounds, for having some fun, dude, seriously, I'd say that's a little piece of heaven right there. I'm kind of wondering why I didn't buy one years ago. Anyway, that's it for now. It is, what is today? Today is the 28th of October 2018. I've had this amp for 2 days now, and yes, I already retubed it because JJ tubes from Eurotubes always makes my amps sound better than what the stock tubes are that come in any amp. So I have not had an exception to that yet, although my V3 over there, I pulled the E34Ls, EL34 tubes out of that one and put in JJ E34Ls, and it is an improved sound, but I think I should have went with one of the other ones, like maybe the KT 77s, I think, are one of the options on there. But, you know, hey man, it's still a good sound. Anyway, but that's my baby right now. So, later.